In this walkthrough, we'll take your RRC4 flight data from raw export to full visual analysis, using the flight performance template in Google Sheets. Before exporting your flight data, you'll configure PuTTY and connect to the RRC4. Under Windows Settings, set your lines of scrollback. Each second of flight equals 20 lines, so size this generously for your flight duration. Back in session, select Serial, set the COM port to match your RRC4, and click Open. Once connected, type L to list all stored flight files. Each flight shows its number, size, and duration. If you already know your flight number from an mDACS session, you're ready to export. To export, type E, then type in your flight number. Don't press Enter. Now prepare a clean buffer. Right-click the title bar and select Reset Terminal. Then clear scrollback. Now press Enter. The RRC4 streams the complete flight recording at 20 samples per second. Once the data streaming is finished, we'll copy the flight data contents for import. With the export complete, right-click the title bar and choose Copy All to Clipboard. Open a text editor like Notepad and paste your flight data. Then go to File, Save As, give it a descriptive name, and save. You now have a local backup ready to import. Now that your flight data is exported, let's bring it into the flight performance template. Start by creating your own copy of the RRC4 flight performance template. Click the link and choose Make a Copy. It saves to your drive and opens right away, ready to use. To load your data, open the Import Data Table tab. Select cell A1, press Ctrl-A to select everything, and Delete to clear the table. Go to File, then Import. Choose the Upload tab and select your saved flight file. Set the import location to replace data at selected cell and click Import. Your flight data fills the template. The second method is paste, handy if you skipped saving to a file. Open the Import Data Table tab and clear all cells. Paste your clipboard contents with Ctrl-V. Then open the Data menu and choose Split Text to Columns. Your flight data is formatted and ready for analysis. With your data imported, the template brings your entire flight to life. Your raw flight data lands in the Import table. Every sample start to finish. The Summary tab pulls it all together. Peak altitude, peak velocity, descent rates, and a full flight profile breakdown at a glance. From there, explore the detailed charts. Barometric altitude traces your climb to apogee and back. Overlay velocity to see exactly how speed tracks against altitude through every phase. Compare barometric and inertial velocity to validate your flight profile. The inertial profile shows acceleration and rotation across the flight. Temperature and battery voltage confirm your electronics stayed healthy. And lateral stability, marked with key flight events, completes the picture. Everything you need to evaluate recovery performance and plan your next flight.